But she said she wouldn't come until 2 o'clock.
Ain't nothing better than fresh catfish, except maybe the kids cooking it for me. Y'all wanted all these fish, and y'all get to cooking.
What? Now?
I didn't catch any of these fish.
That'll build character.
Hey, you better get this thing out of my kitchen.
What are we doing with these?
Well, Daddy says cook-off, so I guess we gotta decide how we're gonna cook them. There's only one way that a true Southerner makes fish, and that's fried. And I make a pretty good fried catfish.
Nobody, I mean nobody, can beat my fried catfish. And that's the way I'm going.
Of course I'm gonna fry it. I make the best fried fish in Possum Kingdom.
Y'all got one rule. Y'all cannot fry these fish.
This is not going to end well. We're going to need a plan B.
Well, if I can't fry it, I guess I'm gonna grill it. And I'm just gonna go with a little lemon pepper. Keep it simple, keep it classic, impossible to mess up. Ah, crap!
What happened?
Nothing that won't scrape off.
How many kids I have, I'm no stranger to putting chicken nuggets in the oven. I'm gonna do the same thing with this fish. There, fish and nuggets. You definitely don't want to over-season them. Kids won't go for that at all. How long am I supposed to cook this for?
Of course I love my brother and sister, but they make things too complicated. But not me. I keep it simple.
Hey, y'all watch this.
That'll be done in just a minute.
Woo! Ain't none of them got any sense. None at all.
All right, time's up. Y'all bring them fish over here. Lord of mercy. All right, Cody. Firstborn, first up. That was pretty bad.
I hate lemon pepper.
Oh. That's peppery.
If you put some sugar water in that, you'll have some fishy lemonade. Number 2, Josh, what you got?
Bless your heart, but that ain't it.
No way, buddy.
I ain't ever had anything that burnt, even with Adrian's cooking.
What did you just say?
I was just telling them that you're a better cook than Josh. She actually is a pretty good cook.
Okay, baby girl, show them how it's done. I don't think that was cooked long enough, huh? It's raw, raw.
That fish was still flopping in the pan. I can still feel it in my mouth.
Don't judge mine. Stay away from mine. Look at yours.
All right, Debbie Lou, who's the winner?
You know I love all of y'all equally. So this is a hard decision. But y'all were all losers. Alright, y'all come on in and get some real fish.
I love fish so much.
That's me.
Hey, y'all better not eat all that nanner pudding.
Next time on Possum Kingdom proper.
Well, why don't you get the boys to come down here and help split the wood?
We've been tricked. My dad is a mastermind.
I almost feel sorry for those guys.